Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, September 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. All three major Wall Street indexes broke record highs on Thursday at the start of the Federal Reserve's first rate cutting cycle in more than 4 years, which whet investors' risk appetite. It took a while to sink in, but investors belatedly gave a very warm welcome to the Federal Reserve's bold interest rate cut. With a larger than usual move on Wednesday, the US central bank turned the page on more than a year in which borrowing costs were kept at their highest for decades to try to temper inflation. Fed Chair Jerome Powell also said he did not see elevated risks of a slowdown as the jumbo cut appears to have raised the perceived likelihood of a soft landing, which economists like to call a Goldilocks economy, where the ideal scenario is one where inflation cools while triggering a recession. US stocks indexes rallied after slipping on Wednesday. The blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.26% to 42,025 points. It was the index's first close above 42,000. While the benchmark S&P 500 advanced 1.70% to end the session at 5,713 points. Both were record high closing levels. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite climbed 2.51% to 18,013 points. Smaller listed companies, which might be expected to enjoy reduced operating costs and cheaper debt in a lower rates environment, also felt the benefit as the Russell 2000 small cap index rose 2.1%. Mega cap tech stocks gained, with Tesla, Apple, and Meta posting solid gains. As of late Thursday, gains were not limited to Wall Street as global stocks rose. MSCI's 47 country world stock index gained 1.66% to 839. The Nikkei 225 added 2.1%, helped by a weaker yen. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index and stocks Europe 600 also gained. New jobless claims data showed fewer Americans applied for unemployment benefits last week than in any week since May. US Treasury yields climbed to 3.739%. The 10-year yield settled Wednesday at 3.685%. The 2-year note yield fell 1.5 basis points to 3.5876%. In currency markets, the dollar wilted in choppy trading. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of currencies, including the yen and the euro, fell 0.41% to 100.61. Gold rose 1.15% to $2,588 an ounce. All prices also rose, backed by the view that lower rates equal stronger demand. Benchmark Brent crude futures climbed back above $74 a barrel for the first time in more than a week and settled at $74.88, 1.67% higher on the day. US crude settled 1.47% higher at $71.95 a barrel. That's it for today, folks. See you Monday morning. Have a great weekend. And in the meantime, do not forget to let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.